Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Any screen, you've got Navi up here, or you can click up to the top there, select Navi using the direction indicators there and click OK. So you're on Navi there. You've got a guide and destination. If it's not on destination, just use these pointers, get to it, click OK, continue route guidance. So it's already got a postcode or a destination in there. So we want address entry, just go down to address entry, click OK, and over here we've got country, town, street, start, and we've got postcode there. So we'll go down to postcode, click across, click OK. Actually, the previous owner was from Ireland, so what we need to do here is go to back and then country, and then we need United Kingdom. Oh, we've got Great Britain there. That's Great Britain. So there we go. Now down to postcode. Click postcode. And then we want Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P R. We now need to go to numbers, and it's defaulted to numbers. 5 4, and then it's gone back to letters. J S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. Click OK to select, and we've got start here, and it's already highlighted, so click start.
The route is being calculated. Please follow the road for 1 mile.
There you go. That's how to set the sat nav.